So this is the Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP. Now I know that's a very long name, but this one will be out of your sight by the time you're done calling out its name, because this is the most powerful production motorcycle that Honda has ever made, and it's derived from the RC213V MotoGP motorcycle. This one gets all the bells and whistles that makes it one of the most exciting motorcycles here at EICMA 2019. And the excitement is worth every bit of it, because in this modern day and age of tech-filled track weapons, as soon as Honda started to lag behind a bit, they decided to turn things up. And how? The new Fireblade looked directly at Honda Racing, who, with the help of Marc Marquez, who too was at the unveiling of the motorcycle, has been dominating the hardest motorcycle racing championship in the world, which is MotoGP. And the Fireblade reached out to that multi-million-dollar Honda Racing's RC213 MotoGP motorcycle and grabbed a handful of goodies to make it look fast and go fast as well. The most prominent amongst which, and the first thing that will catch your eyes, are those winglets on the fairing of the new Fireblade. These are supposed to give you more downforce on the straights and while exiting the corners as well. And with that, the Fireblade joins the rare gang of motorcycles that come with winglets on them, and also some serious bragging rights. In terms of styling, the new Fireblade looks sharp and angry, and while it may look a bit bulky at first glance, in reality, it really isn't.
エンジンのドアストが全く一緒なので、吸気のポートだとか燃焼室形状を同じ形状にしています。合成の与え方とかですねっていうのを MotoGP と同じような考え方でやってます。
The highlight of the new blade is the engine that it has, which is a 999cc inline 4-cylinder engine that makes about 215 horsepower and 130 Newton meters of torque. And these figures take it right to the top of the list of the most powerful production motorcycles that money can buy. It weighs a mere 201 kilos curb, which makes it light and fast at the same time. Suspension duties are handled by fully electronically adjustable O-lins, both front and back, and gets BREMBO STYLEMA calipers, which in simple terms means the best brakes in the business. There is an Akrapovic titanium end can that is offered as standard, and it also gets a 6-axis IMU that takes the whole electronics package to a new level, which includes the likes of wheelie control, traction control, engine braking control, and even a multi-stage adjustable steering damper. All in all, the Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP might have a long name for itself, but no one can deny that this is a serious piece of kit for those looking for riding a motorcycle on the racetrack. The new Fireblade has arrived, and how? Expected to come to India next year in 2020.